Yo, welcome back to another crypto investing video on the channel where you can find financial investing ideas and follow along my journey to financial freedom. If you like the sound of that, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you know when these videos hit the tube. So guys, in today's video, I'm talking about Crypto.com, the mobile app that you can use to buy, sell and trade cryptocurrency. I personally use this app on the daily to buy and sell cryptocurrency. I really enjoy it. I think it's a very great app. That's why I'm making this video about it. I think it will help a lot of people, especially it's a very beginner friendly app. So I think it will be very beneficial for a lot of people who are getting into cryptocurrency. It's very straightforward, easy to adjust to. So here's the main website. So if we scroll down, this is what the app interface looks like when you load into it. So you'll be buying the crypto at true cost. So there's very little difference from the websites like CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap.com in terms of the price listings for each currency. So if you scroll on down here, you'll see the credit card section, Visa credit card. I think this is a very important part of the Crypto.com ecosystem. I myself, I have a credit card with Crypto.com and it works well. You get a percentage back with all your spendings, and yeah, there's no fees, nothing like that. You can top it up with fiat or cryptocurrency. So moving along, here is the crypto earn section where you can stake any currency that you have on the platform. They're all integrated into the app, so it's like an all-in-one section, which is really good. But yeah, it is possible to do that. Here is the Crypto.com desktop exchange section, which I'll cover in another video, not this one today. So this is for your day traders and stuff like that. So it has the desktop version there for that, but today we're talking about the mobile app. And their new product on the market is their DeFi wallet, which is another wallet. It's not the one we're talking about today. I will cover this in another video, but this is your decentralized wallet. So same like your MetaMask wallet and stuff like that. This is a separate wallet from the one that we are talking about today, but I will cover that in another video. So yeah, and then just to finish up here, just a bit of some numbers there for you. So it was founded in 2016. You got a team of about 3,500 people with over 10 million users currently using Crypto.com. And here is just a little insurance coverage of about 750 million for the platform. So if something were to happen, they could cover up to $750 million worth of losses. So yeah, now we'll jump into the app itself, and I will run through all the features of it with you, and then you can see what the app's all about. Alright guys, so when you open the app, this is the screen that you'll be confronted with. It gives you your total balance in whatever currency you've chosen, and just a list of currencies or cryptos that you've labeled as your favorites. So if you go ahead and click on Bitcoin, you can see that they have an 8-hour chart, a 24-hour chart, a 1-week chart, 1-month chart, 3-month chart, and a 6-month chart. And that will just give you an overview of how the token is doing over those periods of times, so with the volatility. As you scroll down and give you the total market cap, the 24-hour volume, the rank of what the coin is, and just an overview of what the coin, about the coin and everything like that. So you can click on buy, and you can purchase crypto with your credit card. Now, as a bonus to new users that sign up to Crypto.com, you will be given 30 days of no fees on purchases with a credit card or debit card. So, and that's extremely good because, as you can see, the fee is 3.5%, and that is waived when you are a new user who sign up to Crypto.com. So I think that's just a great incentive. For the first 30 days, you can experience the platform without any fees. I think it's just it's a nice incentive for new users to come into and experience the platform. Next, we have the crypto wallet, so you can purchase crypto with other crypto. Whatever you have in your crypto wallet will show up on the left hand side, so you can choose from which one you would like to use. And lastly, you can purchase crypto with fiat. So when you transfer from your bank account to crypto.com, you can then purchase it with your fiat currency. And that's about it for buying. We come back to the main menu, you can scroll down a little bit and you will see top gainers. This is essentially the coins that are doing the best for the last 24 hours. So they're the top gainers with the highest percentages. Next, we'll go ahead and click on USDC bank transfer. So this nifty little option allows you to deposit your USD from your bank account and receive it in USDC stablecoin for a 1-to-1 ratio. Alright, next we'll jump over to missions. Now missions is just the daily in-app reward system. So they reward you for essentially checking in to this section, and you will get 1 diamond straight up for checking in and unlocking the missions. Next will be a quick quest to buy and sell 20 USD in crypto for the day. The next one will then be up to 500 and you can receive up to 60 diamonds. So I have 22 in my vault at the moment. Once you get to 25, you can purchase a gift box, which you can then open and receive a reward. So if we click on Crypto Masters and just finish that, which is study and learn cryptocurrencies, I will earn my 3 diamonds that I need for the day. You can learn everything about stablecoins in this section here, and once you're finished, you can see the blue bar at the top getting further and further across. Then you have earned your rewards. So if you click back, boom, learning done. 3 diamonds in the vault, and now I have 25. So we can go to store and we can purchase ourselves a mystery box for 25 diamonds. We click on that, and I've got a silver box, so there's bronze, silver and gold, and voila, I have received 0.9 Crow. So that's just their token. That's all I've received every time I have purchased a box. So you can easily withdraw it to your crypto wallet. Boom, nice and simple, and now you have Crow. All for simply checking in and doing a few missions, things that you would do in general. So perhaps buying and selling some cryptocurrency, you could earn those rewards there. So if you click on the big blue button and then click on earn, this is the section where you can earn interest on your cryptocurrency. So you stake your crypto on the platform and you can earn crypto back. I think it's a great incentive. There's a whole list of cryptocurrencies that you can stake on the platform at different percentage rates. So there's an option for a 3-month term, a 1-month term, and a flexible option for those that do not want to be restricted to their crypto being staked on the platform, so you can withdraw it at any time. Obviously the percentage returns drop for the time that is less staked, so a flexible is less percentage earned back, but still a great feature to have incorporated into the app. And lastly, we have the rewards section of the app. So this is where it hosts your referral bonus, which I'll touch base on a bit more in a second. The pay rewards section, so that's just when you send money or crypto to and from with other users on the crypto.com platform. And then your card cashback section, which is the credit card reward system. So you'll get a percentage back when you use their credit card. So, and here's the referral bonus section. So here you can see how much money you've earned from referring your friends. Underneath that, you'll see the friends that you have referred. So this, you refer people. So basically how it works is you share your referral link, which you can find in the bottom left-hand corner of this screen here. And your friend clicks on that link and then they complete the sign up to crypto.com. They do a KYC verification, and then they get signed up for the $25 worth of Crow, and it's locked into their wallet. But they can only receive, they can unlock it by staking their Crow for a crypto.com Visa card. That's how it works. And then once that happens, once they get the card, then you get the $25 as well. So both parties receive $25 in Crow, which is a great incentive and just something to help each other out. So I think it's a great thing. Alright guys, so just to quickly finish up, I'm going to show you about the Crypto.com credit cards. There are a few varieties, so you can choose which ones that you would like to go for that would be more beneficial for you. So we can scroll down here to the selection. Of course, you always have a free one here, so this is one you can claim without having to stake any Crow on their platform. So you can automatically claim the free one and you will receive 1% back in Crow rewards on purchases. So when you top up your credit card with fiat or crypto, whichever payment source you would like to use, you can receive 1% back on purchases. There's also 0 benefits though for that card. So if you're looking at the next one, so the Ruby, if you purchase $350 or euro worth of Crow and then stake it on the platform, you will receive a metal Ruby steel card, 2% cashback on with Crow rewards, 2% cashback on purchases, and you will receive Spotify for free 100%, as you can see right here. Here are your fee limits. So you've got a $200 limit, or euro in my case, for ATM withdrawals, and a $2,000 free currency exchange transactions per month. So when you move up, obviously the limits go up. So you got 400 there for the Ruby Steel and 4,000. So if you take a look at the next one, you will have to deposit 3,500 euro or dollars. And stake the Crow to receive the Royal Indigo or Jade Green, and you will get 3% back. You will then also receive Netflix for free at 100%. Basically what happens is they refund you the amount that you need for Spotify and Netflix, and you can then pay your subscriptions there with that. If we're moving up to the $35,000 baller limit, you will get the Frosted Rose Gold and Icy White metal cards. So you need to stake that amount of Crow, which, by the way, staking the Crow coins, you need it's up to 6 months. So it's 180 days that they will be locked in. For this card, you receive 5%, and you will also get Amazon Prime for free. And also Expedia, you get a 10% discount with that. Also with the Indigo and Jade Green, you do receive airport lounge access. Obviously with the higher tiers, you get a guest also for free. You get Crypto.com private, which you can click on and read. Earn bonus rewards there, and you get exclusive merchandise welcome pack. They're moving up to the top tier, which is a $350,000 euro staking of Crow. You get 8% back. That's the Obsidian card. You get all the benefits of the rest, plus a 10% Airbnb discount. Again, all of the earlier mentioned things, plus a private jet partnership, which sounds very interesting, and I don't know anything about it. I haven't read about it. But that is just something that you can receive if you were to stake $350,000 worth of Crow on the platform and get the Black Obsidian card. So that is just everything there. This is the Crypto.com private. Block trades of Crow, OTC block trades of Crow, research reports, inheritance service, industrial events access, priority customer service. So a bunch more services there for you, and reserve and manage your Visa card in the app, which you can do in the app. So yeah, so that's just all about the Crypto.com credit card tiers. So yeah, anyway, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you know when I drop more videos. If you guys have any questions that you want to ask me, or if you would like any videos, if you would like me to do any videos on certain topics, then let me know in the comments down below. I will reply. But yeah, other than that, I will catch you guys in the next video. Hope this is very informational for you. And if it was, smash the like button. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you.